Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your taillight that is on your trunk on the Honda Civic. Start out by opening up the trunk. And then in order to get to the back side of the trunk, we're going to have to peel back this trunk carpet. Depending on what side you're working on, you can probably get by with just taking a partial section of the trunk carpet and peeling it back in order to gain access to the back. I'm going to go ahead and take the whole carpet off just to make it easier for filming. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to remove these clips, and I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to come out real easy. You just get between the clip and pry out on the center portion. So the clip is in the carpet like that. So it's going to come around to the side. You can see that section that has a little notch in it. Put the flathead in there and just pry up on the middle, and it pops that middle part out. And when that pops out, then you can just pull it out by, or with your hand rather. And then once all the clips are out, the carpet just comes right off. So here is the back of the taillight. I'm going to be removing the driver's side. So if you're doing the passenger side, it's going to be a mirror image of this. But first thing we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and unplug the taillight by pushing on these tabs here. A little tab right there, and then pulling out. Same with this one, the tab's here in the front. Push on the tab and pull down. And then we need to remove these two bolts and this nut using a 10mm socket and ratchet. And then we're going to push out on the taillight away from the trunk, and you can push on this stud right here that's on the taillight. If it seems to be stuck, you can just use a handle of like a screwdriver or something and just tap it or hit it, or just push out on it and push it up. And then on the other side, you're going to want to grab with your hand and start pulling up on it. And if you feel some resistance while you're pulling out on the taillight, up and behind here, there's two clips. You got that one right there, and then you got this one back here, and those are on the end of the taillight, about right here and right here, going through the trunk. But if you just keep pulling up on it, gradually it'll pop those clips out, and just keep rotating it, and those clips will pop out. But that's it, guys. That's how you remove your taillight on the trunk. Thanks for watching.